welcome back to my channel. Today we have the January Scrawlrbox review. Got the Scrawlrbox here, so I'm going to open it up. I'm going to put you guys down to a sort of downward view so you can see the Scrawlrbox as I open it, and we'll go through it and we'll test the items out and see what they sent this month, and I will give you my honest thoughts on it. Okay, so let's open up this bad boy. Got in here. So we've got the Scrawlzine, January 2022, and our January featured artist. Oh, we won't open that yet because I want to see what's in there. We've got a little art print from the artist for the month. The artist is Roots. And then we have a paint on mixed media A5 pad. This is by Claire Fontaine. I really love Claire Fontaine's pads. I use their pastel matte pads. And this is a very, very, very smooth surface, and it's 250 GSM. So let's see what is actually in the box. So the Scrawlrbox, we have little information about what is in here. So the first one that we have, so we have a Pigma Micron 12 pen. Let's open this up and have a look and see what this actually is. Oh, that's a chunky beast. So I don't know if you guys can see that. So I haven't got a Pigma Micron that is quite that chunky, so that's cool. That'll add to my little set of microns that I have. We have a little sweet Tango Shockers chew bar. There is a sticker. We have a Faber-Castell 9000 pencil. These are some of my favourite graphite pencils in H, so that's very cool. I do already have that one. And then we have, looks like more brush pens. Not gonna lie, that's a bit irritating. Let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so these are by Karen. They are acrylic permanent ink with a flexible brush tip, water-based deco brush. They're quite interesting. We have it in a brown, we have it in a red, a very fluorescent orange, and a yellow canary. So that's the canary. We've got 4 different colours here. Okay, so I'm going to do some testing of the supplies first of all. So, I mean, the first one, the Faber-Castell pencil. These are really, really great graphite pencils. I use them for most of my drawings, and I just think they're wonderful. They're really great, they're really smooth, they're really consistent as well, so they are fantastic. So I do feel like these colours would have worked better in like autumn because they're quite autumnal. Go for it, 'cause they don't even know me. So they're really nice and smooth. The paper is lovely to work on. This is a very, very smooth paper. There's almost no texture. So what shall I draw? Million things I can undo. I
be. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk.
Okay, so my final thoughts on this month's Scrawlrbox. I really enjoyed trying out these pens. They're very different to anything that I've used before. They were interesting colours as well. I do think they probably would have been a great one to have in the autumn because they're very like autumn colours. But yeah, no, I really enjoyed it. I finished off my little leaf that I was drawing in the previous video, and this little snail is one of my original characters called Sage. So yeah, I just really did enjoy trying them out, and it made me sort of, you can blend these brush markers, but I had to really consider what I was doing and take my time doing it. So I really enjoyed that challenge of having to try and blend those, and also trying to use a very set colour scheme as well was interesting. Love the Faber-Castell pencil. The 9000 range is my favourite range that they do. I love Pigma Microns as well. I've not got a pen as thick as this from Micron, so that's really cool as well. So all of this is stuff that I haven't got. The paper's lovely. I'm not sure what I will use it for. As to whether or not it's worth the money, so far I would say yes. The only one that I didn't enjoy was the very first one that I got, that was the water brush markers, but I think that's also partly because I didn't really understand how to use them. However, I love the sketchbook that came with it. I've actually continued to use that sketchbook for other things. So that's literally the only one that I didn't enjoy that much. But the rest of them so far I've really enjoyed them. I added up the cost of these materials that came in this month's box, and they work out depending on, I couldn't find the pad. So depending on how much the pad is, it works out at about £20 worth of product in here. So that is cheaper to get in Scrawlrbox, and of course the delivery is included. These are £16.95 per month. So far, yes, I think it is worth it. So I think Scrawlrbox is really great if you're looking to try out a lot of different mediums and you're not too fussy on the type of mediums, because there have so far been a lot of pens, so brush pens, watermarker pens. Though I know the box before this was Copics or Copics, however you say it. So as long as you're not specifically looking for paint, watercolor I know we've had before, and we've had like graphite before as well, and pastels and stuff like that, so that's pretty cool, and I can't wait to see if we get some more of those. So yeah, I think it's really great if you are looking to just kind of expand your knowledge and sketch things out and have a play and just enjoy art. But if you're looking for something specific, then this is perhaps not worth you spending the money on. But for me, yeah, so far really enjoying it, and it's different, and it gives me something to think about when I'm a bit stuck. So I'm struggling with, at the minute, I'm struggling with a little bit of art block. I've sort of burnt out following Christmas. So during Christmas I was doing a lot of commissions, and I've obviously finished those, but I've kind of felt myself burn out after that. So this is nice because it's easy and fun and something different to play with, so it's really enjoyable to do. So yeah, so that's my final thoughts on the Scrawlrbox. I really enjoyed using this month's box. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Did you think that it was a good box this month? Do you like the colours? What would you have drawn with them as well? I'd love to know, so just pop the comments in the box below. And if you're new here, then please do hit the subscribe button. I'd absolutely love to have you join me on my little journey here. We've got some really lovely people in this little community, and I'm just really enjoying spending my time with you guys. So I will see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye!